Ukrainian Cossacks and Crimean Tatars, a joint history more than 5 centuries long. Fraternal relations with the Crimean Khanate played an important role in the formation and evolution of the Ukrainian state. The Tatar factor was a priority in the foreign policy of the Hetmanate, and there were multiple alliances between the two. These important facts are emphasized by the historian Taras Shuklib in the pages of his latest book. There are very many peaceful years in the mutual history of the Ukrainians and the Crimean Tatars. We used to be told the Crimean Tatars and the Cossacks were constantly fighting against each other, but there was always peace after the war. The book researches the peace treaties between the Cossacks and the Crimean Khans, which were signed in the 16th, 17th, and 18th centuries. The author paid special attention to the conclusion of political alliances between the Crimean Khanate and the Ukrainian Hetmanate. The documents presented in the book prove the solid interstate relations. Studying the past of the Crimean Peninsula is especially important today. Historians emphasize that it's necessary to discredit the pseudo-historical arguments of the occupier state. Immediately after the annexation, Vladimir Putin tried to justify the obvious violation of international law, the undermining of the international security system, with pseudo-historical arguments, saying that the Prince of Kiev was baptized in Russia, and this was an excuse to annex the territory. The narrative of Ukrainian history has been a victim of Russian misinformation for centuries, historians emphasize. Knowledge of the past of the indigenous people of Crimea and its relations with Ukrainians is an important factor for the consolidation of modern Ukrainian society.